actually forgot to do an outro, so that's why I'm doing it while I'm editing. So in the video you'll see me talking, but it's gonna be a voiceover, just because there was some annoying scratchiness in the video. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. For the eye primer today, I'm actually going to be using my concealer just to act like a base. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to use the applicator to apply it, and then I'm going to blend it in with my beauty blender. For eyeshadow today, I'm actually going to take two colors and I'm going to mix them together. Then I'm going to take a green color and I'm only going to apply it kind of like in the outer corner and then kind of blend it upwards. Then I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and I'm going to line my lash line with that to create some eyeliner. Then I'm going to use my Winky Lux So Extra mascara. And then before that, I didn't do it on camera, but I curled my lashes as well. Off camera, I did my foundation, concealer, and blush. So I'm just going to move on just straight to lip gloss. So I used the QC Makeup Academy lip gloss palette, and I use this kind of red-pink color. Okay, so for the 1970s, they had like a purple eyeshadow and then kind of like green in the inner corner, and then like a peachy lip with a red, pink lip. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys next time. Bye!
Goodbye!